Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the free lesson feature of LifterLMS. This feature can be very useful if you're doing some content marketing and maybe want to give away one or two lessons in your course for free, maybe as an introduction to the course, or to give some of your best content to generate some leads. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. To start out, we'll head to Courses. We will launch the builder on a course we want to offer a free lesson in. We'll expand all sections and then open the editor for the specific course. Then from here, we can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. In the general settings, you can see down here, free lesson. And by simply checking this box, we make this lesson available for anyone who stumbles upon the page. If you have any questions about this feature, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I'd be happy to help you out there. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.